जहां हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा और मजहब बदल जाता है, मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ में आता है। A very fanatic morning to Honorable Chief Guest, Director Sir, Principal Sir, teachers and all my fellow citizens. I am Veera Singh from class 9th Hindi medium. I am here today to present my view on this important occasion. Before I begin, I want you all to imagine something. Imagine a child standing outside the classroom, not because he didn't want to study, because the society decided that he does not deserve to. Now imagine the same child growing up and drafting the constitution of the world's largest assembly. Any guesses who was the child? Yes, the child was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Now we can proudly say that he gives us constitution, he gives us democracy, he gives us fundamental rights. But do we remember that he fought against the society which deny him dignity, which deny him water, which deny him education? But still, he chose to build a nation where all the peoples can live with dignity. उन्होंने केवल संविधान ही नहीं लिखा, उन्होंने ऐसे राष्ट्र की परिकल्पना की जहां समानता केवल एक शब्द ही नहीं वास्तविकता हो. But still, what we people are doing, we are discriminating others on the basis of caste, color, creed, language. But what we people are doing, we are discriminating others on the basis of caste, color, creed, language and religion. Friends, independence is not a gift, it is a responsibility. If independence is not used to build a better nation, it will lose its true meaning. Now our India is not fighting for the political independence. Now our battle is with corruption, pollution, ignorance and hatred. And the biggest enemy of our youth is Peedhi se phaila nasha. A drug cannot destroy one person. It destroys families, dreams and the future of our nation. As it has been always said that we are the future of our nation, हम ही भारत के भविष्य हैं. We are future IAS officer, IPS officer, doctors, engineers, scientists, teachers and the leaders of this India. Today, the future of India is sitting in the classroom and the choices which we will make now will shape India for tomorrow. So on this Independence Day, let's take a pledge to stay away from drugs, work hard, dream big and serve our nation India's honesty and pride. Thank you.